welcome back to my channel CodeWithDakshi. So today we are talking about like how to add icons, okay, and how can we use shadow, right? If you are having a box, okay, you are having a border, so how can you use a shadow inside the box and outside the box? Okay, so guys, simple is that in the last video we have talked about this, like how can we use headings or your listing part, your anchor tags in a one line. And today's we are starting with, yeah, today we are starting with the icons. So for that, what we have to do, guys, like if you are new to my channel, okay, just go to this video first. Okay, after this one, you can see this video. I will share the link. Okay, so today we are having font awesome icons. Okay, so first of all you have to search for it. Yeah, so your first step is that you have to scroll down, and in this, okay, you can search for the icons. If you are clicking on this, okay, and when you come down, you can see start for free. Okay, so in this one you have to write your mail id. So this is my mail id. Okay, then you have to use send kit embed code, but guys, I am already having a code which is looking like this. Okay, so I am not using this one again. Okay, so you have to check your mail id. Okay, when you are doing that, after that I have to search for icons. So first of all, guys, I am using here, like I want to use here YouTube icon. Okay, so for YouTube icon I like the first one, and guys, in this one you cannot use the pro one because they are paid. Okay, so we have to use here YouTube, and this is my icon. Okay, and I like this one because I'm not having so many choices. Scroll down, and this is the code, okay, which is there if you are working for HTML. If you are working for React, so for that you are having this one. So I am using HTML, so I am copying it. Okay, guys, you can see that now I'm getting copied. I have to come to my code now. And first of all, guys, you have to link your file over here, okay, because you are using icons. Okay, and at the end I am using my code, and you can see, guys, I am having this YouTube. Let's see now my output is coming or not. Yeah, I'm getting my output. Okay, I'm getting this one, this icon. I am zooming in, by that you can see properly. Okay, this is my icon, but I want this icon in the middle one, like in the center. So what can I do here? I can use here, like I am having, right. So in my CSS I am using I, and in this I am taking a line items center. It is working? No, it is not working. So what can we do now? We are having next idea also, guys. We can do one more thing. Margin left 20 px. Yeah, it is moving. I'm using rem. Yeah, it is fine. So my icon is coming, okay, properly now, and there is no issue with that one. So it is working. Now, guys, I have to do one thing. In this, I have used with this. Okay, I have done with this part. Just pause the video first, okay, and check till this one have you done or not. Okay, after that you can start with box shadow. Simple is that, guys. I just want to H1s now. Okay, not H1 now. I just want a box. Okay, so for that I am saying I am having here paragraph only in which I am saying today. Okay, and now I am having this soapy, and in this one I am saying um, I just want a border of 2px with 2 pixels, and I just want solid red. Where is that? Yeah, this is my answer, but why it is coming here? Hmm. We can do one thing, Martian, right? And we can use here, or we can do one thing, guys. Instead of the ending one, I am just using here, or I can use here. Yeah, but it is coming upper one, so yeah, last one is fine, guys. I am using this one in the end because I just want to check the proper thing if it is working or not. Okay, so what can I do now? I just want a border, so I am using here border. I just want this text in the middle one, so margin right of 30 REI. Okay, it is coming here now. Now what I'm doing here, I just want a padding of minimum 20px, and I just want a background color. I'm using red. Let's see. It is not looking nice, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, this is my text, but my motive is only to show you box shadow 60px. Yeah. So this is my box. Okay, so I just want at least 20 area. Yeah, it's fine. So guys, I want a shadow of white color. So in this, we can do one thing only, box shadow. I am using here inset. We have to put here like all the numbers. Yeah, it is coming. So my shadow is coming, okay, inside the box. What I did, I am just using here only one number. See, my shadow is not coming because it includes minimum two numbers. So if I am using this one, I am getting a line, okay, not a shadow. As per rules, 10px. Yeah, you have to define at least three numbers. If I am using 10 also, again, see, it is working properly, but I don't want 10, I just want 2. See, it is working. If I am using here also 2, no, at least 5. Yeah, so this is the way, guys, if you want a box shadow inside your box. If you want outside, so you can remove this. With the help of inset, you are getting your shadow inside the box. If you want outside the box, you can use like the numbers only. You can remove inset. So this is about box shadow and icons. Okay, I hope you like the video, guys. Let's meet in the next video. In the next video, I will tell you more about CSS part. Okay, we will talk about animations also, and that class will be very interesting. Okay, so don't miss that. Just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, bye bye, guys. Take care. Happy learning.